guys, today I'm going to cook a rib steak or a bone-in ribeye on my little Weber Q gas grill. This is a huge steak, so I'm not sure how cooking a steak this thick is going to work, but that's what I'm going to find out. This thing is 2.7 pounds. I picked it up for $13.47. Now I seasoned it last night with just some salt and pepper and put it in the fridge overnight. And I pulled it out of the fridge a couple hours ago, and I'm letting it kind of come up to room temperature, so that way it won't have to be on the grill as long, hopefully. Now I'm putting some avocado oil on the outside of it, and that's just mainly so it won't stick to the grill. Sometimes I have problems with things sticking on that little grill. It has cast iron grates, but and it gets really hot and it leaves great grill marks, but sometimes the meat will stick a little bit if you don't put some oil on the outside of it. So this avocado oil, the smoke point of this avocado oil is 520 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's pretty good for grilling like this. All right, let's get the grill lit here. Turn that to high. Hit the igniter. There we go. And I'm going to let that warm up for about 10 minutes or so. Looks like my grill is nice and hot. I wiped it off with an oily paper towel. And let's get the steak on there and get the lid on. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes. Let's take a look here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over on the other side for a while. Oh, that looks pretty good. I have the heat turned all the way up, so we'll let it cook that way for a while. We're at 10 minutes, so it's been 5 minutes on that side. So now I think I will turn it over on the other side again. Let it cook a little bit longer, then I'll start checking the temperature with my quick read thermometer pretty soon. It's been 5 more minutes, so 15 minutes total now. Turn it back over on this side. Whoa, that's looking pretty nice. Let me see what the internal temperature is right now. I'm shooting for about 130 degrees. That's about what I usually like my steak at. Yeah, we're only at 71 right now, so I guess we'll see how this goes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's see how it looks now. Check the temperature again, see how it is here. 93. 122 right there. You know what? I think I'm going to flip it over one more time and then just kind of keep an eye on it. Oh. It's been 23 minutes now, so let's take another look here. 126 right there. 141 right there. I think I'm going to go ahead and get that off of there now, and then just let it rest for a little bit before we try it out. This has been sitting here resting for about half an hour, so let's cut it open and see what the inside looks like. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Let's try a bite here. Man, that turned out really good. Let's see what Annie thinks. Ready to try some meat, Annie? Jeez, did you even chew it? You just inhaled that. I guess that passes the test. I wasn't quite sure how that was going to work out, but that turned out really, really good. has a really good flavor. I don't think I've cooked anything on that little grill that didn't turn out good, so I just flipped it every 5 minutes, and it was on there about 23, 24 minutes total cooking time. But man, that worked out great. I'm really happy with that. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.